here with the O'Neill professional bodyboard team. And we're about to ride down a waterfall on bodyboards. So it should be pretty good.
There's a big natural rock face here. It's a good place to get away from the beach every now and then. Much harder, but much more fun.
Suit's still in one piece. I'm starting to get a bit frustrated. I can't get it all the way to the bottom and ride out like the other boys. Gonna keep trying before we go. I might have to get a bus home or something. I'll probably be here all night. There you go, you got it.